Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Now, can I ask you, what exactly is holding you back from making those dreams of yours come true? What could I help you with that could just elevate you, take you that next level? If you and me could work together and get your next big adventure started, why not drop me a text message on 07801 543 515 or book your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon. But first, here is today's quote. The sooner you realise that it's never going to go back to the way it was, the sooner you can move on. Things change, stuff happens, and this can sometimes cause a chain reaction to change so many different things for so many people. If you're feeling regret over a missed opportunity in business, work, relationships, you are going to just have to draw that line in the sand and move on. The sooner you start to face forward in your thinking and just move on, the sooner you can start your brand new adventure and brand new journey for opportunity that you probably never knew were even coming towards you.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.